Hey everyone, so today I'm doing a gameplay of PUBG in Oppo Find X. Many people asked me to do a small gameplay of PUBG in Oppo Find X, so I'm doing it. This is not a gaming review of Oppo Find X. I will do the complete gaming review maybe next week, but just a small gameplay. So this video is sponsored by IMS. You can use this gamepad and some triggers to play this game.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So first see the setting. So we can play PUBG in HDR mode, you can see, and Ultra HDR. The Snapdragon 845, in this phone, and 8 GB RAM. So I think the gameplay will be very smooth in this phone. So I will change the setting according to my triggers. So let's begin our match. So this look like this. If you want to buy this triggers and the gamepad, you can find the link in the description. You can easily buy. So we begin. Yeah, smooth, doesn't lag, running smoothly. So here we jump. So it's very smooth and doesn't lag till now, and I don't think so this phone will lag as the Snapdragon 845, then 8 GB RAM, so it will be play any game very smoothly. So I will show you some little part of this game because I played this game near about 40 minutes, so near about 30 minutes. So I will not show you the full gameplay, some clips. So one of my teammate is dead, and here we find one person. So here is our first kill. Oh, there is one more person. So here it comes. So second kill. So easy kill. So let's check his box. And rest of my two teammates are also dead, so I'm only one. Oh my god. So let's drive the car and go inside the circle. I feel a phone little heated up, not so much. My fourth kill, not bad. Hopefully I eat chicken. So let's check his box. Wow, so many things. Oh, fire me. So the easy kill. So few people left and the circle is small now, and I'm the only one. I found a person. I missed it. Never mind. So I think we have to move in the circle. Here's the one. Oh, I miss again. I have to go in the circle quickly. Yeah, I shot it, but maybe he's lucky. So the place is safe. So 5 people more. I have to move in the circle. Wow, let's run. Oh, where to go? Oh, where to go? Yeah, here. Wow, I'm in the safe side. So 3 people left, and I found 2 people. Let's which one? So they're together. So 2 people, only 2 people. One more. Here I won the game. So now let's check the temperature of the phone. It's a little heated up, I feel. So I killed 7 people. Not bad. So it's 45 degrees from front. So I got the cover, so I will remove it first. A little heated up from behind. So 39.4. So just from the front side it's heated up. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you want any review or test, you can message me, comment me, and I will do as soon as possible.